G'day guys, Christmas is almost upon us and I feel like making pancakes. There's many secrets to pancakes to get a nice fluffy type recipe. Many people actually use a refined sugar like icing sugar, but I can get away with raw sugar and that's fine for us. So we have self-raising flour, 2 homegrown eggs, our own chickens, some spice, nutmeg, some full cream milk, and some blueberries. So just a small amount. We do actually have cherries, but we haven't got enough this year to use in the pancakes. So cherries are great, they're really good. So I don't measure, I just go by feel. So I suppose if we were trying to measure it, it's around 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs. Now with the eggs, once you crack them, if you do gardening at all, it's great for putting calcium back into your garden, especially if you grow tomatoes. It does stop a lot of diseases. And the sugar. So the sugar, we don't use normally a lot of sugar, so probably about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of sugar is more than enough. I'll leave the blueberries for a little while. I've just got a general mixer which I'll set up. We'll put in some full cream milk. Again, I don't measure, I just go by feel and look. So I'll just put this. So what I'll do is I'll mix it up and then I'll show you the batter, and then the next operation is a fry pan, a pourer of the batter, a flipper to flip the pancakes once, and a good virgin olive oil. I tend to make a lot of smoke, it's just the way I do it, from the oil, the higher temperatures. But we'll show you the batter once it's ready. So we've had the mixer on for about 5 minutes. Consistency is starting to get there. And it's also, I don't know if you can see that, but the batter is starting to bubble. And that's what we're looking for. So normally what I do, I'll leave it for between 5 minutes and half an hour to get that reaction bubbling more. I'll put the mix master on for another minute or 2, and then it will be ready for cooking. And I will, when I turn it on next time, I'll place the blueberries into the batter. So we got to that point, we're just about ready to cook. I've put the blueberries in and I've mixed them. I've got the fry pan with some oil. So we'll get the hot plate on, and then I'll show you the first pancake and then the pile when it's all finished. So it doesn't take long to make. So here we have the first pancake. When I cook them, when I put it on to start with, I wait till it bubbles and then I turn it over. So almost all cleaned up, and this is the end result. I've actually given away 4 pancakes to some neighbours, but they should be light, they should look good, they should smell good, and they should taste wonderful. So that's our pancakes, and obviously you can make pancakes any time of the year. It doesn't have to be Christmas.